Ready.
Okay, hi guys. Today we're showing you about all the sea creatures that live in the tide pools. So now I'm gonna do thumbs up and I'll tell you about it now. So some are mussels. This mussel has a lot of rocks in it, and it's closed. And there's some mussels here. Maybe they have some fish in them, but I think no. I think they don't have fish in them, but I think they do.
What's this?
That's a dead crab.
Yeah.
And there's a sea snail here, right here. Do you see it? And there's this shell. Do you see it now?
Saanvi? Saanvi?
And there's this another shell.
Saanvi, are you finished it? Say thank you for listening.
And you see this? It's a type of shell. And this is a type of rock that a yarn found. Okay, so guys, did you have a great time? And I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope you enjoy your video that we sent to you. Okay, so thumbs up, bye.